Hey y'all, hey, it's Patty with Giddy Things. I've had my shower and my little spa experience, and so now I've come on to show y'all yet another haul. I'm just going to stop saying I don't buy stuff all the time. Shall we do that? Okay, so that's what it looks like. Can you believe that, y'all? It came to us like that, and it was so funny because the dude, it was probably the end of his work. He was like, whoop, and he put it up against the wall, and so you couldn't see it until the disembodied voice went out and picked it up. So these are some Goose Creek candles. Okay, so we're not gonna blame the guy who brought it here. I don't know when it happened, but it doesn't matter. It's just candles. So I'm gonna ask the disembodied voice after he finishes his medical moment, taking his medications. Here, he knows what I'm gonna ask him, to get these candles open. I think I can do it from here. Yes. So I wanted to share them with you because these were all on big sale. As you know, I've shared in the past, I really don't buy things unless they're on sale. And this was a big sale from Goose Creek Candles. Yay! We do not use, you may, but we do not use the little plug-ins, but they do have some interesting scents in that. So that was in the card at the top. They always sneeze. I really want to, I don't know, plants. I don't know. What do we do with the...
I use them as fire starters.
Use them as fire starters. That's a good thing too. So there's some fire starters for you. So let's see what we got. It's heavy, but it's not really. Let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know, I thought I had gotten 10, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. It's 9. That's fine. So, oh yeah, that's okay. Now I'm remembering. Let me go through them. I'm going to get them out, and I'm going to go through them with you and share my first impressions, because there's really no reason to have this big box in here. They're so pretty and cheerful. I use a lot of candles. You probably noticed that. I don't know if I should or not. How much do we know about life, really? Oh, wait, there's some more. I left them out. There's one more in there. Thank you, disembodied voice. Oh, cute. Okay, I think I'm really going to like that one. What, sweetie?
You're welcome.
Thank you. So here is kitten cuddles. Of course, we have to do kitten. I don't even know what I'm doing with my hand here that I'm doing any good. Kitten cuddles. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, that's nice. It is a 3-wick candle. As you can probably see, and let's see what it's supposed to smell like. 14-ounce soy wax candle. We do like the soy wax with essential oils. I don't know. With clean linen, soft violet, and kitten cuddles is what it says. Oh, I like the way that smells. I can really smell the violet in there. Seems like there's something citrusy in there, but I'm not sure. I took a chance that I would really like that, and I'm glad I do because I got 2 of them. Kitten cuddles. All right, now, see what's next. Wouldn't it be puppy snuggles? Puppy snuggles for, oh, that's nice, y'all. What is this? It's cool cotton, creamy vanilla bean, and puppy snuggles. With natural essential oils again. So that is puppy snuggles. Oh my gosh, I like that. I think I only got one of those, but they're really, really cute. There were some Valentine themed ones that were going away, and I thought, well, you know, they're on sale. I'll get them now. And a couple of them are a scent that I really love. But this is Cherish You Forever. Isn't that cute? I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. Come on, Vogue. Everybody dance to the music. I'll stop it now. I'm going to go ahead and sniff this one. I'll show you that. All of these are 3. That's nice. I can smell the cherry scent in there. So that's cool. And then, You're So Perfect. Do you like that? You're So Perfect. Oh, these are so nice. I didn't tell you what the scents were in this one. Sweet black cherry, crushed almonds, and velvet raspberry in the Cherish You Forever. And is this it's a soy wax candle. I try to do that when I can. And You're So Perfect has, sorry, I'll say You're So Perfect is kitten themed. And so it has cats on it as well. So let's see. It's another soy candle. Fresh dewy rose, pink peony is what I grew up saying, but some people say peony. As where we live now, people say peony. Blooms and bouquet greens, more natural essential oils. Oh, y'all, that's lovely. I love that. The perfect rose is what it is. You're so perfect. Let's see if Cherry Issue Forever had a, keep coming back to this. Velvet Cherry is the non-Valentine's Day name of that one. Then I got the rose petal icing because I got two of the You're So Perfect. And I got the rose petal icing because I love the rose scent. Oh, and that one's a deep, deep fuchsia, just shy of being red. So this one has rose petals, citrus glaze, and vanilla icing. And that's again a soy wax blend with essential oils. I'm trying to get mostly soy or a soy wax blend these days. I'm sorry if I'm not in the frame completely. Rose petals, citrus glaze, and vanilla icing with natural essential oils. So again, I think that was it. Did I miss one? Oh, I did miss one. I can't believe I missed this one because I'm really interested in it. I'm going to show it to you and read off what's on it before we sniff it. Not that you can sniff it, but I wish you could. I wish I could just go, and that would work. Okay, so this is gummy bears. Bum, 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 bum. That's got a lot of glare on it, and I apologize, but it's gummy bears. It says rainbow gummies, candied berries, and sugared citrus. Oh, that smells just like gummy bears, y'all. Look at that, that cute. It's a light blue. Well, kind of a, I guess, a medium blue. Oh, that smells so good. And again, they're all soy wax blend. That's one of the reasons I decided to get them. Whoa! Almost knocked the phone over. It's a really, I had my glasses on the whole time because I needed to read them, but I didn't even think about that. I'm sorry if it's been glaring. Let me adjust it a little bit. Beeping. There we go. I should have done that from the beginning. But you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. We can should all over ourselves. It's not going to make any difference. So I got these, and again, there are 9 of them. And I will eke these out through the year and be very happy to have them. I always try to get scents that I really like, regardless of what's on sale and what looks cute. I don't really tend towards the things that smell are supposed to smell distinctly like foods. Like they had brownies and M&Ms and cupcakes and stuff. And that's not just because I think they're going to make me hungry, which I do kind of low-key think that. But it's also because that's just not my vibe. I like these little, I think it's wonderful, and I think if it's what you like, it's wonderful. But I like the floral ones and sometimes the candy ones like gummy bears, but things that aren't associated with brownies or cupcakes or cookies or things like that. But I did see some good deals on there on those, and so if you like those, you might want to check out to see if they still have them on Goose Creek. That stuff goes really quickly, and as I shared in another Goose Creek unboxing a while back, that is Goose Creek, Kentucky. Right. If it's not, I'll pop it up on the screen and tell you what it is. But I'm pretty sure it's Goose Creek, Kentucky is the name of the place. And it's a family-owned business. And they've done really well. I mean, they're in a lot of big box stores, but I tend to buy mine directly from Goose Creek because that's where they have all the good clearance sales. And sometimes if they have some of these left, they go on a deep discount. But for a 3-wick candle, you're so perfect. Yes, you are. I'll stop doing that now. For a 3-wick candle, these were a really good price. I'll give you a price range and pop it up on the screen when I am editing the video. So I hope that you are doing well. We're going to give you an update on Noogie as soon as we can. The cat that we took to get the neuter today, and they weren't able to do it today because they did find a heart murmur, but we think he's going to be fine. We think he's going to be fine. I don't know. That's an issue that I didn't really have with cats until we came here, but since we've been here, we've had like 2 of ours, and then there were 2 cats we were going to rescue as barn cats who had been in a hoarding situation. We really wanted them. They were 2 beautiful cats, but the Humane Society in the other county we were dealing with, and I understand this completely, couldn't release them without their being neutered, and their heart murmurs were so significant that they just were like, no, we can't take the chance. And so they took these precious kitties who, again, had been in a very difficult situation and put them in a wonderful room they have where they just keep the cats that they can't legally place with people. But we would have been happy to have them, and we would have taken good care of them. But I certainly understand the policy and the way that that protects the cats and everybody involved. But we did have them for a few days, and we helped them become a little bit less feral, and then they needed to go back. But we did end up in that trip, and that was from Washington County, Tennessee. We did end up having 5 barn cats come live with us, and let me see if I can name them off. It's Manny, Stilgar, Paul Atreides, Aaliyah, sorry, wrong one. Aaliyah, who became Elliot, but that's okay. Aaliyah, she can be Aaliyah. It doesn't have to be
May
yeah.
Ren,
And Mayren.
who's disappeared.
Mayran disappeared, but she was one of the barn cats. Lovely. She had the half black and half orange face. So those were the 5 of them. And some of them were siblings, but they also came out of difficult situations and very feral. I don't know if you've had an opportunity to travel with a feral cat to any kind of destination where you were taking them to get care, but we experienced this again today with Noogie. Even though he's pretty chill with people, he doesn't make a sound in the carrier, like all the way there. He doesn't make a sound. Our cats who are bonded to us, who want to be around people, are loud when you're taking them. It's like, get me out of here. But it's when I brought those cats back from Tennessee, I mean, all the way. I had 7 cats in the car at that point in the back seat, nicely, condoed up in their carriers, and they didn't make a noise. It was, to be honest, a little eerie and sad. And I was like, good gravy, poor kitties. You're going to a place, though, where you can just roam and be safe, and we don't have a lot of traffic, and we're way out in the country. So that was good. That's more of those stories we'll tell over time, but we do work really hard to take care of the animals, the handy helper, the disembodied voice, our sweet dog Boba, and we, all of us, I try to give them the best life possible with good nutrition and lots of hydration, which is really important for cats. We've had a couple of cats have issues with, I don't know, TT problems, urinary tract problems. So again, more on that later. We've got so many cat stories to share, so many things to do. But as you guys know, I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. If you watched earlier, if this is the first time you're watching, welcome to Kitty Things. And I will take you to the dentist with me tomorrow because I know that's just what you're waiting for, right? You just want to go to the dentist with me so badly. You've already probably been once if you've watched this channel very much. And so we're going back to get the temporary crown that's over here replaced with the permanent crown. I'm looking really forward to that. And I don't know if I'm going to have any kind of injections because they're not, I mean, they're pulling this one off and putting another one on, but we'll see. I'll do whatever they want me to do. In the meantime, as always, I hope you know how incredibly loved you are. I'm going to do it one more time. Let me find it. You're so perfect. And maybe none of us is perfect, but we're perfect for each other, right? And I always say this because I hope it so much. I say it at the end of each class that I teach, and I say it at the end of these videos I share with you, my beautiful community, now 88 members strong, our lovely community. I hope that we will all, as we know we are loved, continue to go in peace and love, to serve others, and pray for Ukraine.